travelers! In today's video, we'll be making the Disney Dole Whip. Alright, for Disney Dole Whip, you're going to need some pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, vanilla ice cream, and a blender. Here we go. Alright, so we're going to start off with our ice cream. We're going to get one large scoop. How large do you think is large? Is that good enough? One heaping scoop. And put it in the blender. Next up is 2 cups of frozen pineapple. And into the blender. Then we're going to add a little bit of pineapple juice. We've seen some other people do it, and I think Disney's recipe calls for half a cup. Some people have said that half a cup is too much, so we might start with a little bit less and go from there. We're just going to pour the excess pineapple juice in this pitcher so we can drink it later. Alright, and next up is we're just gonna blend it. It took a while to blend, but we think we got a good consistency. So you can pour it right into the cup, or you can get a bag and make it like Disney does and twist it. Now it's time for the taste test. Pretty good. Thumbs up. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog. And if you've tried a Dole Whip, let us know in the comments below, and we will see you next time.